Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Den English World, where learning English is fun, easy, and full of confidence. In today's video, we are going to practice 50 daily use English sentences that you can use every day in real life. These sentences are perfect for beginners who want to speak English naturally at home, at work, or with friends. So don't just listen, repeat after me. Let's start our English practice together. Part 1. Morning routine, 1:30, 5 cone. Number 1. Wake up. It's time to get ready for the day. Number 2. I'm still feeling sleepy, just 5 more minutes please. Number 3. Brush your teeth properly, don't rush. Number 4. Take a shower, you'll feel fresh and active. Number 5. What's for breakfast today? Number 6. I'll have a cup of tea and some bread. Number 7. Please make my coffee strong today. Number 8. Don't forget to pack your lunch. Number 9. Hurry up, we're getting late for school. Number 10. Did you lock the door before leaving? Part 2. Work or school sentences. 5 hours, 8:30. Number 11. I have a lot of work to do today. Number 12. Let's start the meeting now. Number 13. Can you please help me with this file? Number 14. Please send me the report by evening. Number 15. I'll finish this task by tomorrow. Number 16. Take a short break. You deserve it. Number 17. Don't worry, I'll handle this problem. Number 18. Let's discuss this after lunch. Number 19. I'm on my way to the office. Number 20. Sorry, I'm stuck in traffic right now. Part 3. Shopping and daily activities. 8:30, 12 hour. Number 21. How much does this cost? Number 22. Can you give me a small discount, please? Number 23. I don't like this color. Do you have it in blue? Number 24. Do you have this in medium size? Number 25. I'll pay by cash. Number 26. Keep the change, thank you. Number 27. This dress looks really nice on me. Number 28. I need some fresh vegetables from the market. Number 29. Please pack these items for me. Number 30. Can I get a shopping bag, please? Part 4. At home and family talk. 12 and 15:30. Number 31. Dinner is ready. Come and eat. Number 32. Please pass me the salt. Number 33. The food tastes delicious today. Number 34. I'm full, thank you. Number 35. Let's watch a movie together tonight. Number 36. I'm feeling tired, I need some rest. Number 37. Don't make too much noise, I'm studying. Number 38. Can you please clean your room? Number 39. I'll wash the dishes later. Number 40. Good night, sleep well, and sweet dreams. Part 5. Talking with friends. 15:30, 18:30. Number 41. Hey, how are you doing today? Number 42. I'm doing great. What about you? Number 43. What's going on? Number 44. Nothing much, just relaxing at home. Number 45. Long time no see. Where have you been? Number 46. It was really nice talking to you today. Number 47. Let's meet again soon. Number 48. Don't forget to message me when you reach home. Number 49. Take care of yourself. Number 50. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Excellent work, everyone. You have just learned 50 daily use English sentences that will help you sound more natural in your daily conversations. Practice these sentences every day, in the morning, at work, and with your friends. The more you use them, the more fluent and confident you will become. Comment below and tell me, Which sentence did you find most useful today? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Den English World for more simple and powerful English lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep shining.